Alright everybody, I'm going to show you an app called Record It. This is going to allow you to do videos of your phone screen. So you want to go to your, this is what the app looks like. So you can see it says Record It, and you're going to click on that, and this is all of the information that you can see. But anyways, once you've downloaded it, however you get to your settings, I have an iPhone 8, I think. No, I have an iPhone 10. And I pull down the top right hand corner, and then I see this little circle button right here. If you hold down that button, it pulls up your screen recording. And now you're going to see Record It Capture, and you're going to click on that. And then you see this microphone on or off. Make sure the microphone is on, and then you hit Start Broadcast, and you're going to be able to record everything that is on your screen. So you can come in here and show your team how to do an app. So if you're doing Young Living, you could show your team how to actually do the app for Young Living. So it's a really good way to be able to show your team members how to log into the company apps.